Hello everyone, there are so many delicious noodle soups. This is one of them, glass noodles soup in chicken broth. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you, it means a lot to me. So I have 1 chicken leg quarter, 3 gizzards and 1 liver. To make them not animal smell, I blanch them in water with ginger, salt and vinegar. I drop them in when the water is boiling and cook for 3 minutes. You don't need to cook them too long, otherwise you lose on the sweetness of the meat. Now remove after 3 minutes, okay? And in another pot, I add 8 cups of water and bring it to warm, and then I drop my meat and innards parts in. I cook this for 2 serving. With that kind of materials, the broth will be very flavorful. But if you want to feed a crowd, you can add more meat or innards. And here are the things that you cook with. I add onion, garlic and shallots to make the broth flavorful. Continue develop to get rid of animal smell, and let it cook until, if you use a chopstick or a fork to piece to the meat and the water run clear, that means the chicken is cooked. And you remove the meat. You can season the broth now to your liking. I add salt, pepper and fish sauce. If you are in Vietnam or other Asian countries, you will find that they will add MSG, which I doesn't do because I don't like chemical in my food. So after I'm happy with the seasoning, I add green onion, and that's it. Now on the skillet, I render the chicken fat to crispy stage, and then add some turmeric. Because we eat with our eyes first, so I want the chicken skin just yellow, like they are fatty. That's what our weakness in Asia. We like chicken skin. If you are Western people, you don't like chicken skin, you can remove. But we like skins. So when the meat is cool enough to handle, you debone to make it easier to eat. And if you feed someone, especially Western people, they don't know how to eat meat with bones inside, so you have them to remove first. I remove the bones and I placed the noodle in my bowl already, and I placed innards, the gizzards and the liver. So the liver you cook together with the broth, together the same time with the chicken, but the gizzards you can cook more to be tender because the gizzards tend to be tough. But as your oyster, you can choose the tenderness of the gizzards to your liking. So now I slice the meat neatly so that I can present the chicken on my bowl to look beautiful. Still have a lot of meat on the bones here, so I remove some more. Like I said, this is for 2 servings. Right now I make 1 bowl first, but this is for presentation, so it's a double everything. So I'm happy with the appearance. Now it's time to lay down the broth. Before I brush more turmeric on the skin, and you know, turmeric is good for our body, so it's better that way. And I like the look of it. So now I add some chicken fat. They are crispy, so I like to chew on them. And finally is the broth. You lay down a lot of broth. I like it that way because the noodle, when you eat, it will expand some. So it needs a lot of broth in it. And that's it. Sprinkle with some black pepper and ready to devour. And you are invited. It's very flavorful and delicious. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.